Many times when I photography in a restaurant, I don't have too much equipment with me, my gear. And today I show you how to work with so strong lights in a restaurant, or if you don't have too much lights in a restaurant, and we will be need only two things, whiteboard and diffuser material. That stay with me and let's go. Many times on my video here you see I work in a restaurant. I shoot few dishes. Then mostly I work there with natural lights, and this is not easy thing. Sometimes the light is too strong, sometimes it's not enough the lights. That I always take with me few things what help me to work with strong lights, or maybe if I don't have enough lights in that situation. And this tip is good to understand the lights and work with the lights. We will be use today artificial lights because I am in my studio. I don't have here windows to access for natural lights. We use this lamp. It's Godox SL60W, doesn't matter which lamp, but it's artificial light. When I start the light, you see it's bright, very bright. Probably is video don't looks good. Give me to check how looks and I back to you. Exactly how you see, I use this lamp. This is without any modificator light, diffuser or something, softbox, make lights soft. That's when coming straight away the lights for my photo shoot. We have here strong shadows, and second, overexposure is as photo. The product is so bright. The food what you photograph in a restaurant is too bright. What we can do? We must to do something make soft lights and don't overexposure as product food what we photograph. That's we use this diffuser material. This is reflector 5-in-1. I bought few years ago. I use what we do. We put this front as the product, as photo. Like you see straight away, as lights. The power of the lights is less. As product have not too much shadows, is no overexposure. That's happen when we use something diffuser material. This time I use this reflector because it's the best. It's big. I can always set up and make around my food product what I photography enough soft lights. That is one thing, and it's cheap, very cheap, more cheap than like will be used maybe softbox, special softbox, what is more expensive, or umbrella, big umbrella or something like that. But this you can take with you second, because you close this easy and you have something small. Like you see here, I have more because that's, but it's very small. But what we do when we put the lamp as lights, like small, we don't have enough lights. Like you see here, now it's not enough lights. Before was too bright, now it's not enough lights. When I change the power of my lights for 10%, like you see straight away, as product is more dark, we don't have enough the lights. That can happen when you're coming to the restaurant and you don't have access for the lights. It's not enough lights. What you can do? You use this whiteboard and you put opposite for the direction you light. Always is like that. That's work. You should work always with the lights opposite, and straight away these lights coming for the board, and board jump on your product, on your food what you photograph in a restaurant. That is automatic more bright. Another things what you can set up your camera different way, like put bigger ISO to make more bright, make small number the aperture, like if you have aperture 8 because you need sharp, go to aperture maybe 4 or 3.5. You will be see different straight away. Your photo will be more bright. But I show you today only these two things, how to work with the lights. When you have too bright, use reflector, the diffuser material. When you have too bright, because you cannot control the sun, but when you don't have enough the lights, use the whiteboard, because the whiteboard straight away make more bright your product. That is easy and cheap, because the diffuser costs like around 20 pounds. This whiteboard is 3-4 pounds. On Temu, Amazon you can buy. The link for all these tools I left below. I hope you better understand how to work with the lights. Always experiment, work, don't scare to make mistake, because from this mistake I learned the mostly to work with the lights, how to work with not enough the lights and too much lights.